Aditya. Hi, I'm Aditya. I'm writing Python code for a simple digital calculator. I'm I am importing the math module for this. First, I define a cont variable and set its value to lowercase y. I'm creating a while loop, and as long as the value y is entered, we can reuse the calculator. When we enter n, we exit out of the calculator. Now I display the choices using the print command. Choice 1 is for addition, choice 2 is for subtraction, 3 is for multiplication, and 4 is division. Now I define other variable choice and display the message to enter a choice between 1 and 4. Now I will enter the two numbers, num1 and num2. Using the if and else statement and condition, I will check the value entered for the variable choice and perform the math operations selected. If choice is 1, then I add the two numbers and store the result in the variable res. I will display the result using the print command. Likewise, if choice is 2, I will subtract the numbers. If choice is 3, I will multiply, and if choice 4, I will divide. The numbers are displayed and display the result. If a number other than 1 to 4 is entered, an error message is displayed. Then I display a message asking whether you want to continue. If y is entered, then you can continue with calculator. And if you enter n, it will exit the calculator using the break command. Thank you. Now I'm going to type the code. Now I'm going to type import math. After I do that, I'm going to type cont equals y. Next, I'm going to type while cont the lower and the now I'm going to do the print statement. Now I'm done with the print statements, and now I'm going to do the choice statements. Define choice variable. I'm going to do int input. I'm going to enter the choice between 1 and 4. Now I'm going to do the if condition to check the value. I'm going to do choice greater than equal 1 and choice greater than less than 4 equal to 4 parentheses. Now I'm going to check each value. Now I'll enter the two numbers num1 and num2. I'll do the same for number 2. Now, using the if and else condition, I will check the value entered for the variable choice and perform the math operation selected on the two numbers. Now I'm going to print. And I'm going to print the result. Now, I will do the same for the rest, but instead of using if, I will use elif. I'll do the same again. Now I'm done with all the 4 operations, and next I'm going to put an error message that's going to say wrong input, because if a number other than 1, 2, or 3 or 4 is entered, it will print a wrong input. Now I'm going to type it. Now I will display a message asking whether the user wants to continue the calculator or not. If Y is entered, then you can continue with the calculator. And if the user enters N, the calculator will exit. Now I'm going to run the code. Since I'm in the older version of Python, I'm in 2.7, I had to put raw input instead of input. So if you're going to be in a version, if it's 3.8 or maybe higher, you could just put input. Now we're going to try to run the code.
Okay.
Now let's run the code. On. Now I'm going to try to run the code. Now I'm going to run the code. I'm going to choose addition, which is number 1. Now I'm going to enter my first number, which is going to be 2. And now I'm going to do 2 again. Result is 4, it's correct. Now it says if I want to continue or not. I'm going to press Y, which is yes, and it's going to go again. Now I'm going to choose multiplication, which is number 3. I'm going to type in 10, and I'm going to type in 10 again. If you all know, it's 100. Now I'm going to press no to don't continue. And now it exits. Thank you for this presentation. You could also add other math operations, but I just chose to do the simple operations of pure calculator. Thank you.